Welcome to Rebecca Susrut Eye Hospital, where vision meets care and excellence. We are on a mission to provide quality eye care to the community since 2001. With a team of devoted professionals and world-class equipment, we are dedicated to bring exceptional and affordable eye care services to the common man. We believe that every pair of eyes is unique and deserves an unparalleled care. Hospital has an in-house dedicated optical outlet which showcases the latest designs of branded spectacles and world-class optical lenses.